In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Dropbox to Slack and share files seamlessly between these two powerful platforms. If you're looking to boost your team's productivity by making collaboration easier, then integrating Dropbox with Slack is a fantastic place to start. Let's dive into the process and see how you can set things up quickly. First, we'll begin by installing and connecting the Dropbox app within Slack. To get started, open up your Slack workspace. You'll typically find the Apps section in the bottom left corner, though in some versions, it might be located in the top bar. Once there, use the search function to find Dropbox. When Dropbox pops up, go ahead and click Add to Slack. This step is crucial because it allows Slack to communicate directly with your Dropbox account. Next, you'll be prompted with a request to authorize Slack to access your Dropbox. This step is about granting the necessary permissions so the integration can work smoothly. Go ahead and grant these permissions. Don't worry, this is a standard procedure that enables the two apps to talk to each other without any issues. Once you've done that, Dropbox will conveniently appear in your list of Slack apps, making it easy to access moving forward. Now that everything is connected, let's explore how you can share a Dropbox file to a Slack channel directly from Dropbox itself. Head over to Dropbox on your web browser and locate the file you want to share. This could be anything from an important report to a project document you're collaborating on. Click on the Share option for that file. If your integration is set up correctly, you should see an option that says Send to Slack. Select that. Dropbox will then present you with options to choose a specific Slack channel or person you'd like to share the file with. When you send a link preview, Slack provides a nifty preview of the file. However, it retains all of the Dropbox permissions. That means only people who have access in Dropbox can actually view the document. It's a secure, efficient way to share files within your team. If you need to share a Dropbox file directly from Slack, here's what you do. In your Slack message box, look for the plus button or the Attach File option. This might differ slightly depending on your interface. Click that, and you should see Dropbox listed as a choice, given that the integration was successful. Choose the file from your Dropbox that you want to share and post it right into the Slack channel or direct message. Slack will automatically show a preview of your file. Anyone can click on this preview to open the file in Dropbox directly. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow and make sharing files between Dropbox and Slack a breeze. I hope this guide helps you enhance communication and efficiency in your team. Thanks for watching.